Today we'll dive into the ARP table of a network switch, explore why it's crucial for network communication, and learn how it can aid in troubleshooting network issues. The ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol table, is a critical component in networking. It's essentially a database that maps IP addresses to MAC, or Media Access Control addresses. When a device on a network wants to communicate with another device, it needs to know the MAC address associated with the destination IP address. The ARP table provides this information. For a switch to utilize an ARP table, it needs to be in router mode. This is because standard Layer 2 switches operate based on MAC addresses and do not deal with IP addresses directly. However, when a switch is in router mode, also known as Layer 3 mode, it can route traffic based on IP addresses, and thus it maintains an ARP table to map IP addresses to MAC addresses. The ARP table is crucial for efficient network traffic communication. Here's why. It translates IP addresses to MAC addresses, enabling devices to communicate over the network. It helps in forwarding packets to the correct device on the local network, and it reduces broadcast traffic. Without an ARP table, devices would need to broadcast ARP requests frequently, leading to unnecessary network traffic. The ARP table is not just essential for regular network operations, it's also a valuable tool for troubleshooting. Here's how. By examining the ARP table, network administrators can verify if a device is correctly mapped to an IP address. If a device is not communicating correctly, checking the ARP table can reveal if there's a missing or incorrect entry. Unexpected or suspicious entries in the ARP table can indicate ARP spoofing attacks, where an attacker sends fake ARP messages to associate their MAC address with the IP address of another device. Problems such as duplicate IP addresses or incorrect MAC address mappings can be diagnosed by reviewing the ARP table. In summary, the ARP table is a vital component for network communication, especially when a switch is in router mode. It ensures efficient traffic forwarding and reduces unnecessary broadcast traffic. Moreover, it serves as a critical tool for network troubleshooting, helping to maintain a secure and efficient network environment. Understanding and managing the ARP table effectively can significantly enhance network performance and reliability. Thank you for joining today's session. Stay tuned for more insights into network management and troubleshooting.